I thought I would look at a part of Sales Navigator that I don't think people use to the fullest extent, which is the accounts results part of Sales Navigator. Now, if I look at geography, I can search by continent. So I can search for Europe. I'm in the UK. I could search for my county, Buckinghamshire, and I get 52,000 companies. Now, people get a bit swamped, I think, with Sales Navigator, with the amount of results it will give you, because it will show you every user on LinkedIn, which is 776 million. And also it will show you every company. And if I just looked at European registered companies, I've got 25 million companies. So what you can do to be a bit more specific is, if I looked at my town, Milton Keynes, I get 27,000 companies registered for Milton Keynes. Maybe I want to find smaller companies. A really good filter is number of followers to their company page. So suppose I want 51 to 100 followers to their company page. But I want companies that have got, a certain amount of turnover. So I can actually go into annual revenue. I'll make that Great British pounds. And I will say, I want them turning over at least $1 million. So that's in thousands of Ks. So it's 1 million. And I've got 52 results, companies that are 51 to 100. And what you'll notice is the number of employees will vary. So I've got ones there that are 11 to 50, 11 to 50. But if I scrolled through, I'd probably find some that are, yep, there's one there, 51 to 200 employees. So what I can actually do is go and save those to a list. So it's only 52. So I'm just going to save the first 50, and I'm going to create an accounts list, and I'm going to call it Milton Keynes companies, and I'm going to call it 51 to 100 followers. I'm going to go through 25 a page, and I'm just going to save the first 50 just to give you a demonstration. So if I go to the next page, I can save it to Milton Keynes. Then if I jump over to the lead side, which is the people, I can search, and suppose I want directors. I can search within all those lists that I've saved as companies. So I can have a custom company list. I'm going to search for that one called Milton Keynes. So instead of 39 million directors that I can currently see on LinkedIn, I'm going to have 80. And if I want to go spotlights and see who's actually posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, which means they've hit post, share, comment, or like, then I get 6. So 6 people in Milton Keynes companies that are directors, that companies that have got 51 to 100 followers with greater than $1 million turnover. I hope that's of use.